Yeah, hi, I wanted to show you a quick fix on how to, when you're installing a door and you're running into a problem like this. If you look here, this is actually touching the jamb, and it's not like you can make this any longer. It's a pre-hung door, right? So the only option you have here, if you're running into this scenario, is you actually have to adjust it by the hinge. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna bang this out, take this out, and we're gonna make sure first, you gotta make sure this hinge is really good and attached well to the wall, which it is. All right, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull it apart. So we wanna bend the ones that are attached to the wall, not the ones that are attached to the door in this case. Okay, so you just take an adjustable wrench, and there's some finesse that goes into this. You can't just bend it all at one time. You might have to bend it, put the pin back in, and then try it again. You might have to do it a few times, but this will fix it. They make special tools for this, but you could just use an adjustable wrench. And you shove this back in there. And what this does is it gives you more space. And now you can see now it's closing, not hitting it anymore. Okay. Now you're never going to get the gap that you see up here, over here, or over here. It's going to still be a little tight, but at least it's not hitting. And you could bend it a little bit more, and you can work your way down depending on where it's hitting. But this will fix it. And you'll see now it closes without hitting. Okay? Please like, please subscribe.